This is the windbreaker system, and it creates pleasant by increasing your living comfort in the open air. Windbreaker systems prevent the wind by adapting to the building designs with the aesthetic appearance. This system has manual frames. Only glass is visible, therefore maximizing views. Smooth operations, high performance, motorized operations. Slim tracks designed to drain away water. The horizontal profile is reinforced internally for high wind areas. Single, double or triple glazing available. Operated manually also. The applications of windbreaker system are at door window systems, resolving and photocell doors, restaurants, hotels and balconies.